together we achieve. Morning everyone, I hope you're doing okay at home, doing lots of nice things. Are we going to sing the good morning song? Good morning to everyone, to everyone, to everyone. Good morning to everyone, good morning to you. La 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 la. Good morning to you. I hope you enjoyed the assembly this morning. There's some nice songs in here. See you later.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all okay.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, and the dream that you did to, oh why can't well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white and the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking and singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. What a wonderful world.
Three little monkeys.
What's that noise? I don't know. Let's look in here. It's a monkey! I know a song about three monkeys who like jumping on a bed. 1, 2, 3. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Ouch! Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Let's go and jump on the sofa instead. Cheeky monkeys!
Come and visit us at www.singinghands.co.uk. Five little firemen.
Five little firemen standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. Four little firemen standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, whoosh they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. Three little firemen standing in a row. 1, 2, 3, whoosh, whoosh they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. Two little firemen standing in a row. 1, 2, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh they go. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. One little fireman standing on his own. 1 whoosh, 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 whoosh he goes. Hop on the engine with a shout. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out. Quicker than a wink, the fire is out.
It's time to finish. I hope you enjoyed the assembly today. I'm really enjoying seeing all your photos of things that you're doing at home and all your good work. Well done. We're going to sing goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time. See you next week.